Hello everyone, welcome to Code with Anurag, where you can find latest job updates and complete placement preparation. One big update is coming from HCL. HCL is hiring 2023, 22 and 2021 password batch for multiple job roles, which I'll discuss in this video. Qualification: any degree candidates can apply. All branches candidates are eligible. Salary will be up to 5 lakhs per annum. Eligibility, that is percentage criteria, I'll discuss in this video. How to apply, I'll discuss in this video. Please note there are total 4 steps to apply, so please watch full video, otherwise you will not able to apply correctly and you will not receive any online exam link, right? So please watch full video. So in this video I'll discuss how to apply, and important thing is I'll discuss what is the job location, job role, everything I'll discuss in this video. So without wasting time, let's get started. So once you will click apply link, once you will click on the apply link, which you will find in the description box, then you will find this type of screen here you can see all the details regarding the job. All the details I already discussed. Now let's discuss about the eligibility criteria. That is the 70% marks for technical role, and for MBA and domains there is different criteria which I'll discuss in this video. So for technical role, your basically technical role is nothing but your graduate engineer trainee role, right? For that 70% marks is the criteria. After that, salary will be up to 5 lakhs per annum. Experience should be freshers. Test location and interview location will be virtual. Job location will be either Noida, Chennai or Bangalore. They did not mention any last date to apply, so please apply as soon as possible. Please note, for MBA and for domain roles, if you have any active backlogs or any education gap, then don't worry, you can apply. But for technical roles, you should not have any active backlogs, right? But if you have any education gap, then you can have, and there will be bond, so you need to sign a bond in order to join this company. So now what is the next step? Simply you need to click here in order to apply for this job. Once you click here, then it will redirect you on this official website. Here you can see there are total 4 steps. Step 1, register yourself. Step 2, verify your email. Step 3 is fill application form online, and step 4 is submit application. So now let's discuss each step one by one. So step 1, register yourself. So how to register? Simple, you can see here you need to enter your full name, email ID, mobile number here. After that you will receive an OTP on your mobile number. Once you will receive an OTP, then that OTP you need to enter here. After that, your city, your state, city, that this captcha you need to enter here. Then click on this checkbox, then simple click on the register. Once you click on the register, then it will redirect you on this type of page. Here you can see, thank you for registering with HCL Technologies. We have sent you a verification link at this email ID. Whatever email ID you will provide here, whatever email ID you will provide here, it will redirect you on that, right? It will mention here. So what is the next step? So step 1 is done. Right now, next step is verify your email. So in order to verify your email, you need to visit your Gmail account or whatever email ID you mentioned there. On that email ID you will receive this type of email. So this is step 2. So step 2 is you need to validate. How to validate? Simple, you need to click here, validate email. And if you are not able to find this button, simply you need to click on this link also, right? Yes, so simple, click on the validate email. Once you click on the validate email, then you are done. Step 2 is done, right? Just wait, it's loading. Yeah, now step 2 is done. So step 1 is done, register yourself. Step 2 is done, verify email. Now step 3 is fill application form online. Now how to fill application form online? Simply you can see dashboard. Here you can see application form. Simply you can click on the continue, or if you don't find option here, simply you can click here all application forms, or you can click here application form, right? Simply you can see all application forms or application form, you can click here, then you will find this option here, continue. So here in my case it's 94%. First let me zoom this. In my case it's 94%, but in your case it will be 0%. But because why it is 94%? Because I already filled 94% application form for making this video, right? Yeah. So what is the next step? Simply you need to click here step continue. Once you click here continue, then it will redirect you on this type of page. Here you can see step 1, this is that, accept. So first you need to accept, then you need to click here next. So basically these details you need to fill: personal detail, then academic details, then work experience details, then upload documents, then job details. This is important. So now let's directly jump to this step, job roles, right? So let me quickly fill all these details. Now I'll come back to this part, job details, right? So I filled all these details here. You can see all these are in blue color. Now I'm here on this job roles. So here you need to take care here. This is very important step. Now this is what where you have to decide for which role you want to apply. So simple. You can see here job roles. So you can ignore this one. Either you can select yes or no. That's up to you. If you have any certification, simple click on yes. If you don't have, simple click on the no. If you have any, simple click on the yes. Then you can choose your certificate type, anything, right? Others also you can mention any other. If you don't have, simple click on the no. That is fine. Absolutely fine. Now this is important. Select your roles. Now once you click here, you will find three options: technical roles, then MBA roles, then domain roles. So any out of any three roles you can select any role. So now first let's select on the technical roles. Once you select technical roles, here you'll find this option, yes or no, whatever you can mention. By the way, you have to mention yes only. Once you yes, then only you will find this option. For now, let's click on no. First let's read this. Let me zoom this so that you can read it properly. Yeah, you can see candidate must be residents of India. First one, Indian citizenship should be there. After that, undergraduate candidates with 70% marks throughout in academic 10th 12th diploma and undergraduation, that is 2023 and 2022 pass batch candidates. And if you have done any post graduation, then 65% marks, and in 10th 12th diploma, undergraduate or postgraduate will be eligible, right? After that, candidates should not have any active backlogs. Applicants should be open for any role, skill, location as assigned by HCL Technologies, right? After that, so now you need to select here yes. Once you select here yes, then here you need to enter your technical specialization, your branch, right? So whatever branch is there, like information technology or computer science, any branch you can mention, then click on the next. Simple. That's as simple as that, right? After that, you need to click here next step, then declaration, then thank you. That's it. Once you click on the thank you last step, then you are done. Step 3 is done. Even step 4 is also done after clicking on this submit application. That is step 4. Step 4 is done. But now let me discuss one more thing. Suppose if you want to choose MBA role, after that you can see here for MBA roles, you can see for MBA roles 60% criteria is there, and candidates would not have any active backlogs, right? And if you want to choose this one, okay, here also you need to select a yes, that your MBA specialization here, right? Now if you want to choose other role, domain roles, for this there is no percentage criteria, only Indian citizenship should be there. After that, you can see candidates should have proof of certification or specialization skills. It means whatever skills or whatever domain you are selecting here, you should have proof of that. That is the point. Otherwise all the candidates are eligible for this domain role. So all the candidates are eligible here, and there is no percentage criteria for this role, so you can apply for this. So simple, you can click fill all these details and you can submit the application, right? Yeah, that's it from my side in this video. If you have any doubt, please feel free to ask in comment box. You can join our Telegram channel. I'll put a link in the description box. If you think this video is helpful, like this video and subscribe this channel for more such videos. Thank you for watching this video.